How are you all? I hope you're all good and happy. So, today we are going to begin with the lesson number 2. That is the story, The Emperor and the Sea. So, let's begin with the story. Here, once upon a time, there lived a king in China. एक बार क्या हुआ था, एक किंग रहता था, एक राजा रहता था चाइना में. ही वॉज वेरी ओल्ड. वो बहुत ओल्ड था, बहुत पुराना था, मतलब बूढ़ा था. He wanted to choose an honest and a good person to become the king after him. तो क्या चाहते थे जो राजा थे, वो ये चाहते थे कि जब मैं मतलब अब एज हो गई है मेरी, तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि कोई एक अच्छा आदमी एक किंग बन जाए मेरी जगह. He thought to himself, how will I find such a person? उन्होंने खुद से सोचा मेरे को ऐसा आदमी कहाँ मिलेगा. He then had an idea. फिर उन्हें एक आइडिया आया. So he called all the children in his kingdom to his palace. तो उन्होंने क्या करा, सारे बच्चों को अपने किंगडम में, अपने पैलेस में बुलाया. He gave each of them a special flower seed and said, plant these seed. तो उन्होंने क्या करा, हर एक बच्चे को एक स्पेशल फ्लावर सीड दी और उनसे बोला इस सीड को प्लांट कर दो. Then bring the plant to my palace next year. फिर क्या करना, नेक्स्ट ईयर मेरे पैलेस में वो प्लांट लेके आना. Whoever can grow seeds into the best flower will become king. जो भी तुम में से अच्छा सीड्स ग्रो कर देगा तो वो क्या बन जाएगा, वो राजा बन जाएगा. He will become the king. So he watered the seed. Nothing happened. All the children went back home with the special seed. सारे बच्चे कहाँ चले गए, वापस एक स्पेशल सीड के साथ अपने घर चले गए. Ming, a small boy, कौन था, एक मिंग था, छोटा सा बच्चा, also went back home with the seed. वो भी घर वापस चला गया एक सीड के साथ. He filled a flower pot. उसने एक फ्लावर पॉट फिल करा with rich soil and planted the special seeds. और एक रिच सॉइल के साथ फ्लावर पॉट प्लांट करा. तो उसने क्या करा, एक प्लांट कर दिया उसने एक स्पेशल सीड को. एवरी डे ही वाटर द सीड. नथिंग हैपन. वो रोज वाटर करता था सीड को, बट कुछ नहीं होता था. द प्लांट डिड नॉट स्प्राउट. ही पुट द सीड इनटू अ बिगर पॉट विद मोर सॉइल. प्लांट स्प्राउट ही नहीं कर रहा था, मतलब उसमें से कुछ उग ही नहीं रहा था. तो उसने क्या करा, एक बड़े से पॉट में सीड को रख दिया, बड़ी मतलब सादा सॉइल के अंदर. Still nothing happened. फिर भी कुछ नहीं हुआ. He became very sad. वो बहुत ज्यादा उदास हो गया. At the end of the year, the pot was empty. जो मतलब जब साल खत्म हो गया, उसका पॉट तो खाली था. Spring came. All the children took their pots with the beautiful flower to the king. Spring आ गई तो सारे बच्चे क्या गए, अपने पॉट्स लेके गए ब्यूटीफुल फ्लावर्स के साथ किंग के पास. Only Ming had an empty pot. खाली मिंग के पास ही empty pot था. He was ashamed. वो बहुत शर्मिंदा फील कर रहा था, बहुत ashamed फील कर रहा था, उसे शर्म आ रही थी. But Ming's father, you did your best. मिंग के फादर ने बोला तुमने अपनी तरफ से बेस्ट किया. Your best effort is enough for the king. तुम्हारे बेस्ट एफर्ट्स ही काफी रहेंगे किंग के लिए. Go to him with the empty pot. चलो तुम उनके पास एक खाली पॉट के साथ ही जाओ. Ming went to the palace. Ming पैलेस गया. The king was looking at all the flowers slowly. King क्या कर रहे थे, सारे फ्लावर्स पे slowly देख रहे थे. He came to Ming's pot and asked why your pot is empty. वो मिंग के पॉट के पास आया और पूछा तुम्हारा पॉट खाली क्यों है. Ming cried and said, I planted the seed you gave me. मिंग रोने लगा और उनसे बोला किंग से, मैंने वही सीड प्लांट की थी जो आपने मुझे दी थी. I watered it every day. मैंने उसे रोज पानी दिया. I took good care but the seed just did not sprout. मैंने उसका अच्छे से ध्यान रखा बट उसमें सीड में से स्प्राउट नहीं हुआ. This is the best I could do. ये बेस्ट था जो मैं कर सकता था अपनी तरफ से. The king smiled and said, I found the next king. King ने हल्क स्माइल करी और बोला मेरे को अपने बाद राजा मिल गया है. He said to the other children, the seeds I gave you were all boiled. जो भी मैंने seeds तुम्हें दी थी ये सारी boiled seed थी. They cannot go into a plant. वो grow ही नहीं कर सकती थी plant में. All of you have cheated. तुम सबने cheat करी है, तुमने seeds exchange करी है. But Ming is an honest boy. Ming क्या था, एक ईमानदार लड़का था, उसने अपनी seeds change नहीं करी. He will be the next king. वो क्या रहेगा, वो next king रहेगा. So here in this story, the honesty of the Ming is shown, that he was so honored he did not change the seed. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. See you in the next class. Hello, my young explorers. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with the exercises of chapter 2 of English. So beginning with the very first exercise of the chapter that says darken the correct option in the OMR sheet. So it is there lived a king in dash. There lived a king in China, right? So China is the correct option. That means option C. So let's mark option C. Then all the dash went back home. Who went back home? The options are birds, animals, children, or fish. All the children went back home, right? Next, Ming filled a dash with rich soil. तो Ming ने क्या भरा था rich soil के साथ? Ming filled a, and the options are flower pot, bucket, pit, or tub. So it was a flower pot. That means option A is the correct one. Next, the seeds given to the children were dash. तो जो seeds बच्चों को दी गई थी वो कैसी थी? The options are fresh, green, fertile, or boiled. So it was boiled, right? So D, option D is the correct answer. Then moving ahead, we have fill in the blanks. Let's read them and answer them. So it is the king had become old. Next, he gave the children dash seeds to plant. He gave the children boiled seeds to plant, right? Next, the next spring only Ming had and dash pot. So next spring में Ming के पास क्या था? Only Ming had an empty pot, right? Next, the other children had dash flowers. The other children had beautiful flowers, right? Next, the king realized that Bittu was an dash boy. The king realized that Ming was an honest boy, right? Next, we have the next exercise that is answer the following questions. So the question is, what did the king want to do when he became old? So he wanted to choose the next king after him. After him. Next, what did Ming do with the seed he got? तो मिंग को जो सीड मिली थी उसका मिंग ने क्या किया, राइट? मिंग watered the seed every day. Correct? Then next, what happened to Ming's seed? कि मिंग की सीड को क्या हुआ था, राइट? Ming's seed didn't grow, right? Next, what was wrong with the seeds the king had given to the children? The seeds that king gave to the children were boiled. Correct. Then next, why was the king happy with Ming? Because the king saw that Ming was an honest boy. Correct? So, that was all about the chapter. I hope you all enjoyed it and you all got the things well. So, that was all from my side. Thank you so much and do have a great day ahead.